Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from a Schwab IRA. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Start by logging into your Charles Schwab account and accessing your IRA dashboard. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Move Money section and choose the option for transfers and payments. From there, you can select the withdrawal method that works best for your situation. Charles Schwab provides several withdrawal options. One option is an online transfer, which allows you to transfer funds from your IRA to a linked external bank account. Another option is a wire transfer, which can process funds on the same day in many cases, although wire transfer fees may apply. You can also request a mailed check if you prefer to receive your funds through standard delivery. For certain IRA withdrawals, you may also need to complete and submit an IRA distribution form before the transaction can be processed. It is important to review the withdrawal details carefully and ensure all required information is provided accurately. Before withdrawing funds, you should also understand the possible tax implications. Withdrawals from a traditional IRA are generally taxed as ordinary income. In addition, early withdrawals taken before reaching age may result in an additional tax penalty. For a Roth IRA, qualified withdrawals can be tax-free if the account has been open for at least 5 years and the account holder meets the required age conditions. It is also important to make sure that there is enough available cash in your IRA account before starting the withdrawal process. If your funds are currently invested, you may need to sell investments first so the cash becomes available for withdrawal. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.